Plumbing problems are something that we just cannot afford to maintain. A detached character to a leaking toilet, a clogged drain, a dripping faucet. The interminable battle against these odds continues unabated. And if these routine problems are not enough to raise one's hackles, one also has to contend with installing shower fittings and replacing water heaters. For a layman that does not boast of the expertise or experience in dealing with plumbing repair, these challenges can easily deflate their optimism. Although the enterprising few are sure to devise innovative ways to deal with this recurring menace, for lesser mortals, the friendly neighborhood plumber is just a phone call away. Whether a leak or a clog, no plumbing problem is too overwhelming for these experts. If you decide that you do need a plumber, call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating Inc. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays, on call 24 hours for emergency. Call now. 604-872-4946.